Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be creating these beautiful extendo French tip nails. I'm going to take you guys step by step how I created this set. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and actually share with a friend. If you like these type of videos, just let me know in the comments, and let's go ahead and get started with the video. So here I'm just prepping my nails. I pushed my cuticles back and I'm going back with my cuticle bit to remove any dead skin, dirt, oil, whatever up under that cuticle. And now I'm taking my medium grit sanding band and getting all the shine off of the nails. And then I'm going to place my tips. These are the extendo tips that I use. I got these from Amazon. I can leave the link in the description below. So now that my tips are all on and I cut them down to my desired length, I'm going to blend in that tip. Y'all make sure you blend your tip in. That is so important. Like I said, I'm using a medium grit file and my speed is probably like a medium speed, 8 to 10. I don't know exactly what the speed was, but it's around that. And by the way, please excuse my desk. I know my wallpaper on my desk is all tore up, but it's okay. That is going to be changed and fixed. I have to get a custom piece of glass to go over my desk, so don't worry about that. But anyways, the products I'll be using today will be Krylx, Covered Nude, and also Purity from Secret Nail Affair. Y'all know I love Secret Nail Affair, and y'all know I love Krylx. And my brush is a size 14. That's from Krylx as well. And the monomer that I'm using is from Young Nails. Okay, so I start with a small bead and I place that where the tip and my natural nail meets, and then I start to create the almond shape with the acrylic. This is the best way that I've learned how to do it. I've started from the top of the cuticle and tried to work my way down, and the shape never comes out as great as me starting from the middle and then working my way up. So I don't know how you guys would like to do it, but that's just the way that I do it. It's a lot easier for me. And in my opinion, I feel like the shape comes out better. Make sure you guys get those sides. That is the biggest thing when it comes to lifting. A lot of people don't clean their sidewalls, so make sure you clean your sidewalls. Okay, so now it is time to shape the acrylic. Make sure you go in with a new file as always. And basically you just want to shape it into a nice almond shape. Make sure you get up in the crease, like up in the corners, because when you lay your acrylic, if you don't file it good enough, then you will be able to tell once you lay the color down. So make sure you guys get up as close as possible and make sure the shape is super sharp. Honestly, you guys, I'm not even gonna lie. I was cutting up my little cuticles. My little fingers was kind of hurting by the end of this video, but that's just because my file was a little too sharp. So make sure your file is not too sharp and you're not cutting your client when you're doing this on your client. But like I said, at the end, the results are so worth it and I am okay. Okay, you guys, so this is my favorite part. So I'm gonna take this white and I'm going to start where I ended the almond shape, and I'm going to make sure I go up on both sides to make sure that the white is on both sides and everything looks even. And for me, I kind of put the white all over the almond shape, like the C cut or whatever you want to call it. You're gonna file that off at the end anyways, but it's just to make sure that one, everything is all even, and two, that no spots is missing, because you don't want to lay that acrylic down and then once you put the top coat and stuff on, you see like certain like gaps and stuff like that. So I honestly get the acrylic all over it. It looks crazy right now, but once you file it off, like I said, everything will come together nicely. So that's kind of how I do it. Okay, so when you finish all of your fingers, your nails should look like this. Like I said, you're going to file it off anyways. But I had to take me a quick TikTok break while my nails dried. And now I'm going in and taking all that acrylic off with my 8080 grit file. I use the file first. Honestly, I'm probably doing a lot more work than I should be doing. But I use the file first because I like to make sure, like to look and see how everything is going. That's why I don't just go straight in with the drill. I do end up using my drill afterwards, but like I said, I like to kind of look and see how everything is going. So that's kind of why I start with my file first and not my drill. But like I said, this is just the way that I do it. So yeah. So normally I would use clear acrylic and encapsulate after I'm done. But I didn't do that this time, and honestly I'm kind of glad I didn't, because sometimes, even though I use Young Nails Core Clear Acrylic, I feel like sometimes it kind of makes your work cloudy in a sense. So I didn't use clear over this time, and like I said, I'm actually kind of glad I didn't. But normally I would encapsulate what I just did, just to be safe and to make it a little thicker and stuff, but I didn't do that this time. And it actually kind of worked out for me, so I think I'm actually not gonna do that anymore with like ombre and French sets, because like I said, in a sense it kind of makes it look a little cloudy. Maybe it's something that I'm doing. So if you are a nail tech and you do know why that's happening, just please let me know in the comments. I would love anyone's feedback, so just let me know in the comments. Alright, so now I'm going in with my sanding band. Like I said before, I'm making sure everything is all nice and clean. You want to make sure your French is neat, no white where the nude should be, because that is not cute. So make sure everything is neat and clean. Okay guys, so now I'm going in with my medium ceramic carbide bit. I absolutely love this bit. It's less likely to cut your client, and I got it off Amazon. I think it was like $7, but I'm going around my cuticles, make sure my cuticle area is super clean so I won't have any lifting. And I also go up under the nail to remove any acrylic that was stuck there. If you guys want this bit, I will leave the link in the description as well. All right, so now I'm gonna buff my nails. I believe I use 100 grit buffers, but I'm not 100% sure about that. But y'all know I use the small ones, one and done, throw it away. Y'all won't ever see me use the same buffer on somebody twice. That's just nasty. I don't do that. But then after that, I'm gonna spray down my nails with some alcohol. And then this right here, what I'm doing is piercing my nail. Y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, this thing was so hard to do. This was my first time ever doing it, and it was so freaking hard to get those little rings into the little hole. But I watched a couple of videos on it, and once you pierce the hole, then you want to take a small drill bit and kind of make the hole a little bit bigger, and it will actually be way easier. And I'm also so mad because my camera stopped recording me when I was piercing the nail and actually putting the rings in the hole. So I'm really pissed about that, but I'm not even gonna lie, it took me a very long time to do it. I want to say probably like 20 minutes to get those little rings in that hole. So I guess that's kind of good. But now I'm going to end with my No Cleanse IBD gel top coat. I really like it. It's kind of thick, but it actually makes the nails look really shiny. I think I like it a little bit more than my D&D. And then I cure that for 60 seconds, and now I'm going in with the cuticle oil that I make personally to oil up my cuticles. And here is the final product, y'all. This looks so good. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.